The rain taps soft on the old tin shed, a rhythm like a lullaby. The coffee steams your hand in mine. No rush, no need to fly. The world feels far, just you and me, wrapped in this sweet, rainy symphony. Oh, the rain keeps falling, let it pour. We've got this little world and nothing more. Blankets warm, your heartbeat near. In your arms, the storm disappears. A cozy rainy day, that's all I need. Just you, the rain, and me. The candle flickers, shadows sway on walls that hold our quiet dreams. You hum a tune, a little off key, but it's perfect, or so it seems. Outside, the sky might weep and moan, but here it feels like we found home. The thunder rolls, but it's not so loud. When love is the only sound. Oh, the rain keeps falling, let it pour. We've got this little world and nothing more. Blankets warm, your heartbeat near. In your arms, the storm disappears. A cozy rainy day, that's all I need. Just you, the rain, and me. The puddles grow, the rivers run, but here inside we've caught the sun. The world can wait, the clocks can slow. We've got forever in this glow. Oh, the rain keeps falling, let it pour. We've got this little world and nothing more. Blankets warm,